Here's a 2015 Dodge Grand Caravan. Versatile, smart, and full of surprises, this Grand Caravan is the perfect get-it-done machine for any family. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, streaming audio, auto-dimming rearview mirror, external memory control, wireless phone connectivity, leather bucket seats, V6 engine, aluminum wheels, and automatic transmission. New car test drive rights, the Dodge Grand Caravan offers amazing versatility with one of the most convenient cabins in its class. The flexible seating, abundance of storage space, and impressive entertainment options can make life easier for busy owners. Dodge doesn't do middle of the road. Leave average in the dust. You'll never know until you try. Test drive it today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.